I'd like to enter a validation rule that checks a column of entries against what we're typing in to ensure that we have unique values. I want to set it up so that if I type in a value that's already in the column, it won't allow it. In other words, in the column of entries, they have to all be unique, and I'll ensure that with this validation rule. A simple function we can use for this is the COUNTIF function. And if we just type that in, take a look at it, you can see the explanation says that it counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. Well, let's see what it means by that. If I come out here and type in something like this, and I say COUNTIF D:D, and then a comma, and then the criteria, like D1, what it's going to do is it's going to check whatever I type in D1 against everything else in column D, and it's going to count the number of times it occurs. So if I had duplicates, they would show up twice or three or several times, and the COUNTIF would reflect that. Let's try an example of this. And as you can see, dog occurs 3 times, and I can see that horse occurs twice in the list. So it appears to be working. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to come out here and select column D, go to my data menu, and under data validation, from the settings, come down here and choose custom, and in the custom formula, I'm going to type in equals COUNTIF, click on column D, comma, D1, close parentheses, equals to 1. Now what we're saying here is that for the value to be accepted, the entry you're creating can only occur once. If I already have a part number in there, that count's going to come up as the number 2. And if there's more of them, it'll come up to a higher number than that. But it has to equal to 1 for it to be acceptable, meaning 1 and only 1, not another in the list. So this will work just fine. I'm going to go out here to my alert and just type in a stop alert. I'm going to say no dupes. You entered a duplicate. I'll go ahead and click OK, and we will try it out. I'll type in 1, 2, 3, type in 4, 5, 6, type in 7, 8, 9, come back here, type in 1, 2, 3 again, and it doesn't allow it. So it looks like everything is working.